Oh my god. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, my name is Mark and I'm calling you from the Medicare. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also fine, sir. Thank you for asking me. Yeah, actually the reason of my call, sir, Medicare just sending your new card for the new year 22, incoming Monday at your doorstep. Behalf of the old card, which when you're having already right now is going to be expired now. That's why Medicare just sending your new one. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so now just confirm me at this time we just update your Medicare profile. Do you have your old Medicare card with you right now?
Well, my card is upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow
Alright.
when you're 79 years old.
Okay.
All right. So I'm climbing the stairs. Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke ganja. Just another set of stairs.
Okay, you have to go.
Let me dig in the drawer here.
Alright,
Let me get on my reading glasses. So my number is 1, E as in echo, G as in golf, 4, T as in tango, E as in echo, 5, M as in Mike, K as in kilo, 7-2.
Alright, I got it. And now just confirm it. Can I just ask you something?
I'm sorry, your voice seems to be coming in and out. I don't know if there's something wrong with your mouthpiece.
No, I'm just saying, can I ask you something?
Did you ask me for the spelling of my name?
No, I don't anything. I have your all information, alright? And now just confirm me, you are 31 years old, right?
No, I'm 79.
79. And your name is Johnny Smith, right?
No, it's Robert Grinnell.
Robert Renner, alright. Alright, so I have done now. I have all this permission with Janet. You will getting a card. Have a good day. Bye.
Hello? Hello?